Hey percussion friends, we're going to be going over the song In a Minor Mood today. First thing we need to go through is talk about what our sticking is going to be, because unlike all the rest of the songs we've done on Smart Music, they don't give us any sticking for this. So here's the rule of thumb for this song. If you see a quarter rest or if you see a half note, go ahead and the next note that you play, make it a right hand lead. Okay, alternate sticking the entire time. So let's talk about how that would work. You would go right, and because this is a rest, like I said, the next note would be a right. Then left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. This is a half note, so the next one will be another right, right, left, right. Another quarter rest, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Other than the sticking, the only thing that we're going to see here is the song. So let's try it together with the backing track. The last thing that I'll say is don't let the my part mess you up. Sometimes in Smart Music, the my part for the snare drum and the bass drum both sound the same, and so it'll sound like there's snare drums hitting the entire time. Make sure you use my guide or your own counting skills before you try to play this for the snare drum part only. And always remember to use headphones. Have a great day. You guys are awesome. Bye-bye.